Sony has just unveiled its new mid-range device. It is the Xperia 10 Mark VII. It had been leaked a few days ago, but now it is official. Well, let's know its specifications and price. This new model comes with several important improvements. The screen is now OLED 6.1 inches with full HD resolution and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Inside, the processor is updated, reaching the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Honestly, that is considered a low mid-range device, mainly because it will not be excessively attractive. The battery capacity stays at 5000 mAh. The rear camera design now changes to a horizontal pixel-style module featuring a 50-megapixel main camera. This camera can also serve as a 2x optical quality zoom, and there's also a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera included. However, the excellent news is that it retains the front stereo speakers and also maintains the 3.5mm jack. So particularly in these areas, it might be a bit more appealing. Although it doesn't boast an enormous battery, nor does it have an extremely fast charging capability, and its camera system may not be the most appealing, it does seem to be much more refined in the audio department. However, one of the most promising aspects is the software support. Sony is committed to providing up to 4 major Android updates along with 6 years of security patches, which I believe is quite satisfactory for a mid-range device. This Xperia 10 Mark VII is expected to be priced at approximately $449. However, please let me know in the comments if you would like us to acquire this device, even if it is not available for sale in Mexico or on this side of the world. Or would you prefer that we leave it to remain out there in its native Japanese and European regions?